Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. How are you doing? Hope you will be staying happy, healthy and safe at homes. Once again, I welcome you all in my online class of Islamiyat for level 3. Mashallah, you all look very neat and clean, and the area where you sit, that is also very neat and clean. And you know that neat and clean people and places always attract us. And our today's topic is also related to this. Can you guess what is our today's topic? Yes, come on. Oh yes, it's about Taharat. In this lesson, we will come to know about the meaning of Taharat, about the importance of cleanliness, and about the ways to keep ourselves and surroundings clean. First of all, let me tell you what is the meaning of Taharat. Dear students, Taharat is an Arabic word which means cleanliness or purity. Taharat अरबी का लफ्ज़ है जिसका मतलब है सफाई. We should always remain clean and Allah likes neat and clean people. Dear students, we are Muslims and our religion is Islam. Cleanliness is very much important in Islam. Our religion tells us how to keep clean. Our dear Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, cleanliness is the part of Iman. प्यारे नबी हज़रत मोहम्मद सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम ने फरमाया है कि सफ़ाई निस्फ़ ईमान है. So, from the saying of the Holy Prophet, it becomes very much clear that cleanliness or taharat or purity is very much important in our lives. Dear students, we are Muslims and Allah has commanded us to offer prayers 5 times a day. In order to offer prayer, we should follow certain points. First of all, we should perform wuzu. Our clothes and place of namaz must be clean. हम बावुज़ू हों, हमारी नमाज की जगह और हमारे कपड़े बिल्कुल साफ़ सुथरे हों. Body, hair, teeth, nails must be clean. हमारा जिस्म, हमारे बाल, हमारे दांत और नाखून भी साफ़ सुथरे हों. Because dirty body, dirty hair, dirty teeth and nail cause so many diseases. As you can see in this picture, this is the picture of a dirty boy. An unclean person smells bad and no one wants to sit next to him. So, in order to remain healthy and happy and in order to enjoy the company of other people, it is necessary for us to maintain cleanliness of body, place and surroundings. We must not only keep ourselves clean, but it is necessary to keep our homes, schools and our country clean. Unclean and dirty places can be good hiding places for germs, flies and mosquitoes. आपको पता है ना, गंदी जगहों पर मक्खियाँ, कीड़े मकोड़े और मच्छर रहते हैं and they cause many diseases. So, it is not at all good to live in such kind of place. As you can see in this picture, it is a picture of very neat and clean house. So, the people who live in such kind of places, they always remain happy, healthy and safe. My dear students, cleanliness is a very good habit. Everyone likes a neat and clean person. Clean people keep themselves and their surroundings clean and remain healthy and happy. As you know, these days we are facing the problem of corona. So, our today's topic is very much related to this situation. In order to protect ourselves against such kind of diseases, it is necessary for us to maintain cleanliness of body, cleanliness of places, cleanliness of our homes and surroundings. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you very much.
समझ आ गई है ना. ये मैं स्टॉप करेंगे. चलो ये बन गई है सारी सही हो सी इंशाल्लाह ताला. ये देखो ये मैं स्टॉप की थी ना तेरे सामने डूला ना जड़ियां उनको मैं रोका ही हुण सही देवे सो वजियां स्टॉप ही ना सारी मेरी वाली बकवास रिकॉर्ड